Do you often feel tired, sluggish, or moody? Do you struggle to get out of bed in the morning, especially during the winter months? If so, you may be suffering from a condition called seasonal affective disorder, or SAD. But there's good news. Full spectrum light therapy can improve your mood and energy levels, especially during the darker months of the year. Full spectrum light therapy works by exposing you to a bright light that mimics natural sunlight. This light helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock that tells you when to sleep and wake up. By using a full spectrum light therapy lamp for just 30 minutes a day, you can improve your mood, increase your energy levels, and feel more alert and focused. You can use a full spectrum light therapy lamp while you work, read, or relax at home. It's a simple and effective way to boost your mood and energy levels without any side effects. And the best part? Full spectrum light therapy can help you enjoy outdoor activities even during the winter months. You'll feel more energized and motivated to get outside and enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. I personally started using full spectrum light therapy more than a decade ago, and I was astonished at how much difference it made in my energy levels and mood. Now I have several lamps that I use all the time, even during months when I am outside a lot and getting enough sunshine. I find it helps me function just that much better, with sharper focus and much better concentration. So if you're feeling tired, moody, or sluggish, try full spectrum light therapy today and see the difference it can make in your life. The link to find a great selection of full spectrum light therapy lamps is right below this video. Please click and find the one that's perfect for you.